Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. Shiba Inu is about to go parabolic since Shytoshi just exposed his name. Updates from Shib. Shytoshi Kazama, the chief developer of the Shiba Inu, tweeted in January 2022 about a Twitter user at Shiba Inu holder sparking rumors. For those who follow the Shib community on Twitter, Shytoshi is dropping hints. Coming soon, a new partnership? It will be hard for me to remain invisible by the end of 2022, according to Shytoshi's vaguely worded message, which indicated a conversation with his mentor. He concluded by stating that the actual enjoyment starts after the secret is revealed. The topic of Shytoshi's recent identity disclosure will be discussed in this video. Parabolic flight is imminent for Shiba Inu. Updates from Shib. For further updates on our expert forecasts and coverage of the Shiba Inu prize, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. If this is to be believed, Shytoshi is going to come clean about who he is. But people tend to read between the lines when people reveal their identities, since it goes against what they expect. Shytoshi hinted at a possible release of Shiba Inu soon after the New Year on Christmas Eve, saying that it will be out soon. To make Shiba Inu into something more than just a joke coin, we need Shibarium, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. The launch of the Shi stablecoin set at $0.01 and the ability to host applications for the metaverse and games are all part of this. Several articles about Shib the metaverse have been featured in recent blog postings about the Shiba Inu ecosystem, especially about the unveiling of concept drawings for several virtual world places. The Shib token has lost 76% so far this year, which is comparable to the downturn experienced by Ethereum and Bitcoin. Anonymized Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi erased all traces of his online presence on Monday, leading many to wonder what would happen to the initiative moving forward. Nothing has come out of his silence on the subject, and his Twitter account is currently unresponsive. Leading developer Shytoshi shared his ideas in a medium reaction to Ryoshi's apparent departure from Shiba Inu. Shytoshi claimed in the post that he was clueless about what happened to Ryoshi after he vanished. Nevertheless, in an effort to allay fears, he said that he would be taking up the project and bringing Ryoshi's goal to fruition. This includes creating Shib meetups and, in the long run, a Shibakin. In the past day, the Shiba Inu price has slid downward on the chart, while Shib has lost 3% of its value. Similarly, meme coin did not see any advances last week, falling below key support levels after a 6% decline in value. There is presently a pattern forming on Shib, suggesting that the currency might have an upside breakout in the next day or two. According to the daily chart, the technical outlook is still showing indicators of bearishness. Throughout most of this month, sellers have maintained pricing control. In order for Shib to complete its upward breakthrough, buyers must still step in. In the next trading sessions, the coin may decline on its chart before making a comeback, if the technical analysis is to be believed. A drop in Shib trade volume lends credence to the idea that market demand has been low. Almost a year ago, Shib reached an all-time high, and it is currently trading 90% below that level. The current market price for Shib is $0.00000000. In the last 7 days, the Shiba Inu price dropped below the support level of $0.00000082. As long as demand is minimal, the Shiba Inu price is likely to drop below the $0.00000000 mark. A symmetrical triangular pattern has been established, which is another evidence that the coin might experience a surge in value as a result of a breakout. Meme coin is anticipated to make a breakthrough if it reaches the first local support level of $0.00000076. Once the breakout occurs, the Shiba Inu price will surge to $0.00000084 USD. Once that resistance is cleared, the coin will continue to rise to $0.00000086 USD. Buyer interest was low because fewer Shiba Inu were traded in the previous session, following the most recent price decline. The relative strength index fell below the 40 level. Bearishness was shown by the indicator's reading, which showed that sellers outnumbered purchasers at the time of press. Additionally, sellers were pushing price momentum in the market as Shib dipped below the 20 simple moving average line, indicating a lack of demand. The meme coin might go above $20 if Shib stays above $0.00000000. Indicators from other technical analysis tools have also pointed to a potential decline in Shib's value. The asset's trend and price direction are shown by the parabolic SAR. With the signal sitting above the price candlesticks, it's clear that the price has been falling steadily. Price momentum and trend reversals are shown by the moving average convergence divergence. MACD's persistence in painting red histograms signaled sellers to the market, because that could lead to an increase in the price of SHIB. The Bitcoin market was not exactly a shining star in 2022. The price of cryptocurrencies remained low due to a number of factors, one of which being a prolonged bear market. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are presently trading at a 60% to 90% discount to their all-time highs. Even Shiba Inu, the number 2 meme coin, isn't immune to this. At this time, it is not apparent who the enigmatic figure is concealing behind the name. Nevertheless, the screenshot accompanied by intriguing details was published in a recent tweet by Twitter user ShibBPP. In the screenshot, Kusama is seen posting to Discord about his conversation with his mentor. In the message, he mentions that they both agree that being invisible will become impossible by the year's end. The message was sent on January 21, 2022, and the year 2022 is almost over. Your goal shouldn't be to not be noticed after you've aligned and disrupted an industry, he added. Afterwards, the enjoyable part starts. The world will never know if Kusama keeps his vow and comes clean about who he really is. Shiba Inu is quickly becoming a blockchain focused on value despite its reputation as a meme coin at first. But it can't get there unless it stops relying on old technologies like Ethereum. This is why Shibarium, the network's Layer 2 blockchain solution, came to be. The majority of SHIB transactions that were previously conducted on Ethereum will now be conducted on Shibarium thanks to its debut. Since low throughput capacity and expensive gas fees are Ethereum's main critics, this is a major advance. These factors have greatly hindered the growth of the SHIB network, as Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum. There has been no discernible improvement in its transaction speed. As a result, improving Shiba Inu's scalability is one of Shibarium's goals, along with using Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution. Shibarium provides a number of advantages, including decreased costs and quicker transaction processing speed. Having said that, the debut of Shibarium will significantly reduce transaction fees. Burning SHIB tokens will account for the bulk of these fees as well. According to the data provided by the network team, Shibarium will provide a method for burning SHIB tokens. Eliminating or drastically reducing the quantity of SHIB could turn it into a utility token. Burn statistics for SHIB show that since the network's introduction, almost 40% of the token supply has been destroyed. Nevertheless, the token's excessive circulation in the market prevents it from being utilized as a utility token. Since decentralized applications dApps are now trending in the cryptocurrency industry, the SHIB team is working hard to make Shibarium a top choice for developers looking to build dApps. Shibarium has the potential to be an integral part of the metaverse, according to the development team. A new way to engage with the web. Proponents of the metaverse say it is the future of the digital world. Meanwhile, Kusama, the principal creator of SHIB, who prefers to remain unidentified, has promised that the debut of Shibarium would occur soon but has refused to disclose a precise release date. The announcement that the Shibarium debut is imminent is nothing new from Kusama. For months now, he has been making the same points. The introduction of the Shibarium is expected to increase the value of SHIB because to the increased demand for this token. The faster and more cost-effective transaction processing speeds will lead to increased use cases for SHIB. As a result, once Shibarium is live, the SHIB community anticipates that SHIB will trade at $0.01. According to SHIB creators, testing Shibarium's capabilities included releasing the highly anticipated Shiba Eternity game early last month. Ryoshi, the fictitious creator of the SHIB, had the idea that bone whale bearers should not have any advantages over other holders of bone. But the dream couldn't come true since ShibaSwap DEX reward tokens were bone. Furthermore, as of right now, the data on the network's website